Do you wish you could speak more confidently to a group of people, knowing that you can hold their attention? Could be at work, could be in a conference, could be an important social event where you are the speaker. There was a time not long ago, in fact, when I would be so nervous of speaking in front of groups of people that I'd rather avoid every opportunity that came my way. I would worry that the attention of the audience would just not be there. I would worry that the audience would not listen to what I had to say. Sometimes we get so worried that our audience would not be listening that we'd rather choose not to speak, no matter how important our message. Is this something that you've experienced? There is a game-changing technique that I learned that exponentially enhanced my connection with the audiences I speak to. And I'm so happy to invite you to a one-off speaking workshop where I will share this one game-changing technique. With this technique, it will help you to really enhance that connection that you have with the audience, be it at work, be it in a social gathering, be it in a conference, whatever it is. It could be your team. This workshop will be fully interactive, be 1 hour long, and it will take place on the 5th of July. There are details below and a link for you to register. I look forward to seeing you there.